So in the next few examples, we want to look more at graphs with polar equations. So let's familiarize ourselves with some of the constant graphs. So r equals a constant. We want to look at what does that equation look like in Cartesian coordinates. So, well, this is saying that the radial distance is equal to 3, and theta is left out of that equation, so theta can vary. So if you've got your x and y axis here, and then you go out 3 units on the positive x-axis, and then you let theta vary, let your angle vary, but stay 3 units away, you're going to get a circle of radius 3. And the equation of that, well, r equals 3. Remember that r is the square root of x squared plus y squared. And that's equal 3. And then square both sides. So x squared plus y squared equals 3 squared, or 9. And you can see that's circle at the origin of radius 3. So how about theta equals pi over 4? So theta is held constant, and then r is left out of the equation, so r varies here. Remember that theta is the inverse, theta is the inverse tangent of y over x. So this is saying that inverse tan of y over x is equal to pi over 4. So, and that's our theta. So if we take tangent on both sides, this is saying that y over x is equal to tangent of pi over 4. And pi over 4 is 45 degrees. Sine and cosine are the same. Tangent is equal to 1. So you actually get the line y equal x. So you get that 45 degree line. And this makes sense. So you got x-axis and y-axis here. And then you want to go up to the angle pi over 4 from the positive x-axis. But your radius can be anything. So your radial distance up and down this line can be positive or negative. So you get a line. So r constant circle, theta constant is a line. Now let's look at a region here. So we want to specify, we want to graph the region. Radius is between 1 and 2. And your angle here is between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 4. Well, let me grab a polar graphing grid and put in here. There we go. And let's see, so our radius is between 1 and 2. Let's go ahead and mark off our axes here. So we got x-axis right here. We got y-axis here. Let's mark off 1 unit here and 2 units here. So then pi over 2 is going to be up here. And then 3 pi over 4 is right here. So our radius is between 1 and 2. So we're between these two circles of radius 1 and 2. Angle is between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 4. So, and then radius between 1 and 2. So that is actually going to be this area here of the annulus. So you drop in some color there. So that area in there is our final answer. So, okay, so you should be able to try WebAssign 10.3, problem 4. That'll have you looking at some basic graphs in polar coordinates.